Hello and welcome to another question and answer video. Now on this video I did for the daily analysis video, 10th of April, Trent's got a question. I see the PSD indicator and your way of trading to be very effective. I know technical analysis as well and trade certain setups. Can I still use timing with my own technical analysis approach to the market? You absolutely can. You can, because what we're doing at the end of the day with timing is really matching our technical analysis to certain powerful hours during the day. And when time and price match, it's it's trade opportunity. And the reason we're doing that is because when price and time match, there's a more likely than a regular setup of succeeding. So with time and price, you increase your success rate, you minimize your risk because your stop losses are tighter, and you also maximize your return because you're forecasting to the next swing hours and the price levels and so on. So your profitability will increase because you've got two factors in there, time and price. Now on the way I trade, you guys are going to normally see this setup here on my chart, but you can use your own setup, you can use your own technical analysis. It's not a problem. In fact, sometimes this is euro dollar, right? So let me just do something. Well, it doesn't matter. Let me just check this Bitcoin out. This is Bitcoin, for example. Here on this one, you can see Sunday, Saturday. This is Friday. As you know, we had a Tuesday or Wednesday swing day opportunity with Bitcoin, and the market, as you can see, like went up from here. In the trading hours, I think it was somewhere around here on Wednesday. So it doesn't matter what you're using on Wednesday. Let me just double check. 305, 340. Yeah, here it is. 305 is on that bar and 340 is on that bar, and so on. So, you know, if you understand you're on a swing day and the price is down, you got the trade hours as well. If it matches your technical analysis, no matter what kind of a technical analysis you're doing, it's all good. You can do either one way or you can look at the market in a few different ways. I look at the market with 5 different specific technical analysis approaches because it kind of gives me a good kind of like correlation. When I've got more than one method, like, you know, crisscrossing, when a few methodologies come together at a certain price or a certain range of price, then I say to myself, that's a great level. And then what I do is I check if we've got a swing day close by, and then if the swing day is in that price zone, then I'm checking the swing hours of the day, and if that's that as well, great. So for example, with Bitcoin, remember we had Tuesday or Wednesday swing day. Tuesday we didn't have a low, but Wednesday made the low of Monday, as you can see here pretty much, and the trading hours were here. In fact, we had trading hours. Did we have in the earlier Asia session? Let me just double check. No, the earliest we had was 10:40 to 11 o'clock, which was in the London session here where they sold. All right, so 10:40 to 11, this is the zone where they sold into the next trading hours. And as you can see here, New York bought, and we were still at the lows on that time. If you take a look at the daily, that was it. Okay, so it was Tuesday or Wednesday turned into a Wednesday, doing the same as Monday low, and then going up, as you can see. And then what do I got afterwards for Bitcoin? I think it was the weekend, no? Yep, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Sunday. And this is your Sunday here. That's your Sunday. All right, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So Wednesday from the lows, market going up. Next swing day, Sunday, which is today. All right, so the market should look for a reversal. Okay, and then what you can do as well, if you're in the members area, you can look at when the next swing days are for next week, because they're up here as well. Remember, next week, so tomorrow is going to be the 14th of April, so the 14th of April is there. In fact, I'm going to do a bit of work now on May as well. I started doing the swing days and the hours for May already, so I'll do another week or so today, add on to that, and so on. So you can like measure your trade accordingly with that. Now with Bitcoin Saturday and Sunday hours, I do not have because I only have the hours. I only calculate the hours Monday to Friday. But basically, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to do them, you can do that as well. So those, as long as you got your own style of technical analysis which works for you, you can just use the hours, the swing days, so that it can make more sense to you. It'll also help you with your bias as well. Obviously, if you do not know technical analysis, don't just rely on timing, because sometimes people are excited about trading and they want to jump on board and start trading with timing. But if you don't know technical analysis and money management, you're just going to get your knickers in a knot. So don't do that. All right. If you've got no idea about technical analysis or whatever, I've done a mini course, right? Because sometimes, like, my coaching is expensive, but I've done a mini course here somewhere. There it is, on demand and supply. You can use this for just, using it for timing. If you use it, I've done it specifically. I've designed this specifically for timing. All right, so you can use demand and supply with timing and so on. And this is why sometimes you'll see me using that demand and supply template, if I put it up here as well, because I do use that approach as well. We want to know where the market bought and sold, so using the levels to trade off is not a bad idea with timing. Okay, but if you don't know any technical analysis, and you need to know, obviously. All right, if you don't have the budget, just do that, because that's a cheap course where you can learn. Otherwise, don't jump into trading. Like I said, you're going to get your knickers in a knot, and that's not a good idea. All right, so I hope that helps you, Trent. As long as your technical analysis is good, consistent, and you got money management with it, timing will really complement you, minimize your risk, maximum your gains. It'll also time manage you much better than sitting in front of the monitor for hours, because in advance you know what hours to trade. All right, okay, have a good day.